What is it called? Type eraser? What the fuck? Oh, it's got grammar. Fuck, bro. Like, I hate grammar! I hate grammar! Grammar is so disgusting! Bah! Let me go back! Y'all got me fucked up, bro! Grammar is a fucking scam, bro. I don't know, give me a type eraser that doesn't have fucking grammar, bro. This shit's so fucking ass. Let me see the typing, the nitro type, bro. Maybe this, I want one that doesn't have grammar, bro. Bro! I'm so fucking dog shit, man. I'm so dog shit, man. Like, there's no way I'm dropping 76 words per minute. This shit's so fucking ass. Oh my god. Bro, I can't type. I'm gonna kill myself. Oh my god. Yo. I gotta fucking lock in. Why? Why? Bro, I'm so fucking dog shit. Like, there's no way I'm going sub 100, bro. I'm so fucking ass. I'm fucking washed, bro. Like, I'm so washed. There's no way. Like, there's no way I'm dropping, like 99, 93 accuracy. This is actually, like, I'm so disappointed in myself. I can't even lie. I've never seen someone almost crash out over typing, because you know what? Because I know that I can do so much better than that. And the fact that that is what I'm showing you guys is disappointing. You know, I'm disappointed in myself. Okay? That's what it is. Because I know that I'm better than 99 words per minute, 93% accuracy. That's what it is, okay? You gotta understand. No.